Your vehicle rims, also known as wheels, may look fancy on expensive models but play a crucial role in your vehicle's handling and fuel economy. Your vehicle's wheel houses and supports the tire and fixes to the rest of your vehicle. Without these, there would be no way to support the tire on your vehicle. There are many different types of vehicle rims, mainly due to the aesthetic factor. Most people like to have nice-looking wheels on their vehicles. But there is a lot that goes into the manufacturing process to produce nice-looking wheels. Vehicle rims are designed to be as light as possible. This is because of something called unsprung weight. This is the weight of components rotating around the vehicle's axle. Due to centrifugal force, the faster it spins, the more heavy it appears to be. This can slow the vehicle down as the engine has to overcome these forces and make braking distances longer as there is more mass to slow down. As technology has improved, so has the manufacturing process of vehicle wheels. In the early days, wheels used to be made of steel, which is very strong but also very heavy, commonly called steelies by the car community. These are not very nice looking, and usually have plastic wheel covers over the rim. Then came alloy wheels, which was a big improvement in terms of lightness and style. This is what nearly all production vehicles come with. There are many different tires of alloy wheels, and many different styles to choose from depending on your preferences. These are a lot lighter than steel wheels, so offer better acceleration, stopping distance, and fuel economy. Next we have carbon wheels. These are extremely light and very strong, mainly used on race cars, supercars, and highly modified cars. While extremely effective in reducing unsprung weight, they are very expensive to produce, so they do not usually come fitted to production vehicles. Vehicle wheels come in many different sizes and dimensions, depending on the vehicle and the application they are used in. The most common is the diameter of the wheel, measured in inches. This is shown in the last number of the writing on the tire of your vehicle. Most common sizes vary between 17 to 20 inches. Next, we have the PCD of the wheel rim. This is the configuration of the bolt holes which secure the wheel to your vehicle. This has to be 100% correct to ensure they fit onto your vehicle properly and safely. And last, we have the width of your wheel, known as the J number. For example, 9J wheels. This also needs to be correct to ensure that the size fits onto the rim correctly without stretching. Overall, while they may look very simple, your vehicle wheels play a crucial role in holding your vehicle together by supporting the most important part on your vehicle. There are many different sizes and types, and if you choose to upgrade them for either looks or performance, you need to carefully choose the correct model and size.